Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to use Google Pay on your iPhone step by step. So let's dive right in. First of all, you have to install the wallet app if you don't have one already. So you have to open the App Store on your phone, then search for wallet, download and install it if it is not pre-installed. If you already have it, just open the wallet app. Inside the wallet app, tap the plus icon. You have to tap on the plus icon to add a card. You will also see an option called Get. This lets you explore other apps that work with your Apple Wallet. Choose any wallet compatible apps you like, but for now we'll continue with adding Google Pay. To link a Google Pay card, tap the plus icon in the wallet. You will see a plus icon there and select debit or credit card and then tap continue. You can either scan your card or tap the card details manually. Enter your card number, tap next, and then add your CVV and any other verification details. Now set Google Play as a payment option, and that's it. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.